Hey guys, recently I did a shoot with Brooke Bailey. I wanted to talk a little on how I was able to light the shoot and how I was able to give the shoot a summery feel to it as well. It is currently winter where I'm at the moment and it's bitterly cold, so going down to the beach is out of the question. Fortunately, Zhiyun recently sent me the Moelis B300 light, which is a lightweight bi-colored COB light. Brooke is a model that I've wanted to shoot with for a while now. She's just returned to Australia and she's brought some very cute summery outfits with her. Unfortunately, the outside temperature right now is about 1 degree to 2 degrees Celsius and it's a little bit too cold for us to shoot outside. So what we really wanted to do was to be able to shoot a summery indoor shoot. And this is where the Zhiyun Moelis B300 comes in. We wanted to use it to simulate summer light coming in through the windows, and this is a bi-colored light, so it has 2700 Kelvin and you can put it up to 6500 Kelvin, so you can really simulate like a really warm summer's day through the windows using this set of lights. This set of lights also come in a 100 watt version and a 500 watt version. Rather than just going through the technical aspect of the light, what I really wanted to do was to show you how I used it in a practical situation in the shoot with Brooke. If you're interested in watching the full video with Brooke, I'll have the link in the description below, and if you want to look at the photos, they'll be on my Instagram as well. The first thing that you'll notice about these lights are how small and portable they are. It's so tiny, you can pick it up with one hand, and the B300 only weighs 2.57 kilograms. From my experience on the shoot, the B300 was plenty bright and was more than sufficient to light up the apartment, creating an impression of sunlight coming in through the windows. I had previously been put off from using continuous lights in the past because of its size and weight. Anything that has serious power, that is 300 watts or more, usually requires a control box, or as I like to call it, the brick, because of how massive that thing is. The control box usually takes up a lot of space and weight. On the other hand, I can fit the B300 in a backpack. The amazing thing about these lights are it doesn't require the control brick in the back. All it needs is a regular cord where you can find on an old computer somewhere, the normal AC power. Just plug it in and you're ready to go. This is the first time that I've actually used these lights on the shoot. I wanted to use the light to simulate sunlight coming in through the window. So what I did was I placed the light on the balcony and shown it through the balcony windows, and it looked like sunlight was coming in from the windows. And you can see the before and after. Look at the difference. You can turn a gloomy day into a bright sunny day. It's amazing. Throughout the shoot, the light remained quiet and cool. I even forgot they were there. This is because Zhiyun uses a Dynavolt system, which also allows the light to be a quarter of the size of its competitors. There are 3 ways to control the temperature as well as the brightness of the lights. You can use the Zhiyun app, you can control it via the back of the light itself. Otherwise, there is also a remote control which you can purchase separately. As a hybrid shooter that takes stills and video, the problem with continuous lights is sometimes they are not powerful enough to take photos. They're just, the shutter speeds are higher, you have to raise the ISO. Well, I can say for sure the Zhiyun Moelis B300 was good enough for me to capture both photos and videos with Brooke. And you can see the results on my Instagram and on the link below. The light also uses the Bowens mount, which is a universal system that has been around for a very long time. Most of you would have modifiers that use the Bowens mount as well, like myself. So anyone with any existing kit, you can just easily put it onto the new set of lights when you purchase them. In conclusion, I found that the Moelis B300 was really useful. I was able to use it to light a small space to my desired vision. My favorite aspect of the light is its size and portability. I love that I can carry this around without breaking my back. While there were several different power options for the light, I found that the 300 watts served me best. It was bright enough to light up the small space, and I barely used it at 100%. If you're interested in purchasing a set of these lights, you can find my link in the description below. I hope I can continue to create videos that people can enjoy. Please let me know if this video has helped you out at all, and if you'd like to see more gear reviews from me. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one.